Adding a domain to your LearnWorlds website can make your brand look more professional and trustworthy. But the process can be confusing if you're not familiar with the platform. Stick around, and by the end of this quick tutorial, you'll be able to add your custom domain to LearnWorlds with ease. Let's jump right into it. First things first, make sure you have a LearnWorlds account and a domain name that's already purchased. If you haven't got your domain yet, you can easily get one from providers like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Next thing, log into your LearnWorlds account. Once you're in the dashboard, head over to the Settings section on the left-hand side. In the Settings, look for Domains under the Platform category. The fourth thing you need to do is click on Add Domain. This is where the process begins to get hands-on. Enter the domain name you've purchased and make sure it's entered exactly as it appears, including the www part if applicable. Now, you'll need to verify your domain by connecting it to LearnWorlds. The fifth thing you'll need to do is access your domain registrar's control panel. This is typically where you purchased your domain. Find the section for DNS settings or DNS management. Next, add the DNS records that LearnWorlds gives you. You'll need to add a name record and an A record to point your domain to the LearnWorlds servers. If you're not sure how to do this, there are usually detailed instructions in the Domain Registrar's Help section. The seventh thing to do is to double-check your DNS settings. It might take up to 24 hours for the domain changes to take effect, so be patient. Now that you've connected your domain, go back to the LearnWorlds dashboard and hit Verify Domain. If everything's done correctly, you'll see a confirmation message saying that your domain is connected. It's that simple. But here's the catch. LearnWorlds is great, but it might not be the best fit for everyone, especially if you're looking for more flexibility and custom features. You might find that other platforms give you more control or easier integrations with other tools. And that's why I'll also share some fantastic alternatives with extended free trials that offer more customization options, better integrations, and even better customer service. By using the link in the description, you'll get the best exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. So, if you want to take your site to the next level, consider checking out the alternatives I've included in the description. Don't miss out on the chance to explore these options with a free trial.